Welcome to this video. Why do I keep making yoga videos when I have very few views? That was a question that was asked to me not too long ago, so I thought I would make a little video here to talk about it. So, welcome everybody. My name is Colin. I am a yoga teacher and a rehabilitative sports trainer based here in Germany. So the one thing, first thing anyways, is that I love making videos. I love the process of being able to make videos. But other than that I have three reasons why I still keep making videos even though I don't get so many views. But before we get any further, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to if you enjoyed this video. Okay, so three things. Now, the three reasons why I keep doing this is the first one is to get me comfortable teaching in front of a camera or in front of large audiences. The camera is very unnerving for many people, so it's very difficult sometimes for people to get comfortable sitting here talking to a camera as though it is a person. So that's the other thing too, that it brings out more authenticity in a way. Because I can hone in on this here and get better at speaking to the camera as though I'm speaking to you directly and not to a piece of technology. The other thing is also I get to still within the first reason of honing my of being more comfortable in front of the camera is that I get to test new sequences. I get to see how they come together, how they move, also how what I think afterwards about those kinds of things. And like I say, I learn more about myself, I learn more about how I teach, I learn about how to be more comfortable in front of the camera so that everything looks more authentic as though I would be teaching you live and not necessarily through a video. Now the second thing is actually honing my teaching abilities. I get to review how I was. I get to look and write down all of the mistakes and see where I can do better next time, how the sequences flow, how it is received, and those kinds of things I can see by reviewing myself and how I teach. And the reason for that is I always try to do the videos as though I'm teaching class and not as a set scripted thing. Of course, the sequences and the class itself, but it is not so scripted. So I also get to do and learn about corrections about myself also, including my alignment, how I teach the correction within the alignment, and these kinds of things I can do to improve my teaching abilities. The other thing too is that I get to learn how the camera sees me, the different angles, which way is better to teach a position, either on camera or live. For me, the camera is still the same thing as somebody who is live, who might be sitting at a strange angle to me. Is everything still seeable? Is everything still understandable? If they are that kind of visual person that needs to have the visual ability. The third thing, why I keep doing it, in all honesty, is travel. And what I mean by that is that maybe, just maybe, somewhere along the line, someone is going to benefit from what I'm teaching. Someone is going to like the way I teach and the way I do my videos. I'm not a person, whenever I teach yoga, who speaks a lot. I like to put you inside of a position, go through the sequences, but allow you to be inside of yourself so that you can understand how you're feeling or how your body is feeling to you. And I find that too much talking distracts from that. So whenever I'm teaching sequences, then I'm teaching sequences. When I'm teaching yoga, it tends to be more in this kind of little podcast thing here, where we talk about the everyday and what yoga is, rather than doing it whilst in the process of doing the asana or the physical practice. In that practice, I really want you to focus inwards. I want you to focus on your breath, and what your body is doing is the process of Hatha-Vinyasa in my view. And the yoga teaching comes there afterwards, which is then to be processed and internalized later in those sequences, in those processes. You don't have to do it at the same time, my teaching. So in that process, then maybe I will be able to find, my tribe, people who like my videos and people who want to have more videos, or also more live classes from me. So in reality, those are some of the reasons why I still keep making yoga videos, even though I don't really have many views, because I see it as a learning process also for myself. It's not necessarily to be completely famous or to be big. It is also used as a tool. So I continue to do them to learn and to be better at what I do. And though the market is full and all those kinds of things, we have a plethora of fantastic yoga teachers online where you can take classes with them. So I also accept the fact that we are pretty full market when it comes to this. So all this being said and done, no matter what, I'm still learning, I'm still growing as a teacher, as a yoga teacher, also as a rehabilitative sports trainer, and as a creator, as a cameraman, as an audio technician, as an editor, as a businessman. All of these things here I'm continuing to learn and grow and appreciate the process. And I'm grateful to have the process and to be able to have these videos and have some people look at them and enjoy. So thank you very much for watching this little podcast kind of a thingy. If you do like the video, you can take a look at my other videos, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. I appreciate all of the support, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.